Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I just explain you the C language to VB language converter. It's a VB.NET project. Here, we'll input a C language file. So therefore, the program has to convert into VB language. So therefore, if the program exists in the C language, that will be converted into VB program. That is the main concept of this. This is quite different than the regular project. So C language to VB language. This project idea is useful for all computer science students. So who are learning VB.NET, CSharp, Java, Android, any other language. So as far as your curriculum is concerned, you're supposed to do a project. So this project idea will help you to do one project. Fine. So by completing this project, you learn the language skills. That means VB.NET skills, domain skills like how do we do conversions. Okay. So now the moment just think about like how do you do the conversions. If assume there is a C file that you want to change to the VB.NET code, how do you do that? So by watching this video, at least you get some idea. So how to do the conversions, and also experience. So experience is very important in IT. So if you do practically yourself, you'll gain the experience. That experience counts for your job to get a good salary. Therefore, keep trying. So therefore, the more you spend time to write the program, the more skills you learn and you'll get a more experience. That experience really paid you very well. So the language, C language to VB language. So here is the idea. So if this is a C file, this we want to convert into VB language code. Right. So we already know C how you write. Okay. So in the C language, we'll write the continuous file. That file, each line wise we need to read, and we need to change correspondingly to the VB coding. Corresponding to VB coding. That is the main concept of this project. So software requirement. So this is the requirement for this project. So presently we have done it in VB.NET and backend is SQL Server. Next, project forms. Here very less number of forms. This is the main form. So form 1, we are not changing the name there. It's by default form 1. With that we have flash screen and then login form along with that one module. So all the activities will be taken place in this form 1. So where the conversions actually take place in the form 1. So flash screen to show the project and login form to log into the project. And module, as we know, like to declare the variable, a global variable, global functions. So therefore we are using the module. And tables, this is a Microsoft SQL Server. Backend is a Microsoft SQL Server. So tables are concerned, we are using only one table. So this table basically what are the input file. So here is a one file. So you can see this is a C file, main open brace, integers x int I, x is equal to 120. Print the value of x, then for I is equal to 0 to I less than 5, I plus plus. 5 times you want to print that one and then print the outside. So the value of x outside the loop. So now you can see that the corresponding code it is in VB.next. The conversion is taken place and then it transferred to the table. From there again you can fetch it, you can show it on the screen. So int x is changed to dim x as an integer. Int I is equal to dim I as an integer. X is equal to 120, x is equal to 120 in VB also, but there is no semicolon here. It's removed. Printf, instead of printf, it should be changed to message box. And this message as it is has to come here. For open brace, I is equal to 0 less than I less than 5, semicolon, I plus plus. Now you can see that it automatically, it's changed to for loop. In a VB, this is what the for loop. And this is the initialization and the message box. And here you can see that closed braces, but here we have a next. So this is the starting point and this is the end point. And there is a one more message box. So this is how we're changing C coding to VB coding. So that is written in the code actually. I think now you get some idea how to change a C language code to VB language code. Project demo, I'll show the demonstration of the project. Then you get a complete idea. So if you're not yet subscribed to our project, our channel, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button. So subscription is totally free. So therefore please subscribe. And if you like this video and if any of your friends or family members are studying in the computer course, So share this video with them, so let them also get benefit. In our channel, we have many tutorials. You can also learn a lot of languages in our channel. Therefore, it is very advantageous, right? So if you say something to us, so please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. Fine. So let me start Visual Studio. So here is a Visual Studio 2019, and we already opened the project C to VB converter. So here is the form 1, right? And if you go to Server Explorer, we have connected our database. That is a converter data.mdf, and then table, there is one table as I told. So recent file what you upload, that conversions both will be stored over there here. Right, when I say convert, here we written the code actually to conversion, how the conversion should take place. Fine, so let me run the project. Here you can see that this is a welcome screen, a simple one. You can put a different picture over here instead of this picture, and the login form appear on the top of it. So you can write admin, then admin. And if you write wrong, so then press OK. Username or password is not correct. So therefore you need to enter the correct user ID and the password. Fine. So here is a C language coding you have to paste. And then here it shows the VB coding. So I have some examples here. Let's say I go to 1.c. So here is the coding. So I just copy this. I'll come back here and then I'll paste. So see that this is a C code, and when I say convert, you can see that it's make a single line because the rest of the things is not required in VB. Just say message box hello world. This will do the job. Fine. So let's try for next one. 2. Here is the variable declarations. So how do we do it in VB? So here in C language we have two variables, int a, b. So here you can say dim a comma b as an integer. Okay, so that is changed to VB coding type. Fine, so I'll just go to another file. So here is a to print the value. So what are the value? Well, let's say is equal to 10. Okay. Okay. So next one I'll show you. So here is a if condition. So here it converted into VB format. If a is greater than 10, there is the open brace, close brace. Then you have to print this. There should be end if at the end. So in these curly braces are there here, open and then close. So here it is closed. Same way we'll go to another one. So here is a while loop. So let's see that how to convert the while loop. Fine. So do while. So I less than 10 should print up to this and then loop at the end. So here is a for loop. So I'll paste the for loop. This is a C language for loop, and then you can see that it's converted to VB coding. So it's an entry level. So as a student level, this is a good project. So how do we convert C language code automatically to VB code? So professionally, you need to put a lot of effort to completely change to the VB. Maybe it takes some time, but this is an entry level project. It's a good project for the student level. Hope you got an idea. So like how you can do the C to VB converter. Fine. So in case you would like to buy this, you please contact us. And at the end, thank you for watching.